Hi, today we'll learn action of heat on metal nitrates. Now, there are metal nitrates like potassium nitrate, sodium nitrate, calcium nitrate, magnesium nitrate, aluminum nitrate, zinc nitrate, lead nitrate, copper nitrate, mercury nitrate, silver nitrate, and ammonium nitrate. These all nitrates we can classify into four groups based on how they are going to decompose when they are heated. So, first group consists of a potassium nitrate and sodium nitrate. So, potassium nitrate and sodium nitrate. These nitrates are highly stable. So, they on decomposition use metal nitrite, that is NO2 minus ion will be there, that is metal nitrite, along with the oxygen gas. The second group consists of calcium nitrate, magnesium nitrate, aluminum nitrate, zinc nitrate, lead nitrate, and copper nitrate. Now, this classification is based on activity series. So, these nitrates are less stable than potassium nitrate and sodium nitrate. That's the first group. These nitrates, that's the second group nitrates, like from calcium nitrate to copper nitrate, decompose to give metal oxide along with the two gases, that's the nitrogen dioxide gas and oxygen gas. Now, what's the color of nitrogen dioxide gas? Answer is reddish brown color. So, you'll get one reddish brown color gas along with the oxygen gas, which is colorless. The third group, that is mercury nitrate and silver nitrate, decompose to give metal, nitrogen dioxide gas and oxygen gas. Since oxides of mercury and silver are less stable, they they can't be formed here. Okay, on heating these oxides also decompose to give metal. The last group, that's the ammonium nitrate. Actually, it is not a metal nitrate, but then also I written here ammonium nitrate because it decomposed to give no solid residue. So this also was one of the board question, that which nitrate on decomposition gives only gases. Okay, so the answer is ammonium nitrate. It decomposes with the explosion and gives nitrous oxide gas and water vapor. So N2O gas and water vapor. So let's study these reactions for decomposition of nitrates. So potassium nitrate, KNO3. So KNO3 on decomposition gives potassium nitrite, KNO2 solid, along with the oxygen gas. So oxygen gas rekindles glowing splint. That's the observation for oxygen gas. So you'll get only one gas, and that's a colorless. Suppose you are taking NaNO3, sodium nitrate, NaNO3. That's on decomposition gives sodium nitrite, NaNO2, along with oxygen gas. Now take example of calcium nitrate. Now this is part of second group, right? Calcium nitrate to copper nitrate, second group. These nitrates decompose and gives metal oxide, nitrogen dioxide gas and oxygen gas. So calcium nitrate decompose and gives calcium oxide along with the nitrogen dioxide gas, oxygen gas, then magnesium nitrate. Magnesium nitrate decompose to give magnesium oxide, nitrogen dioxide gas and oxygen gas. Aluminum nitrate decompose to give aluminum oxide, nitrogen dioxide gas and oxygen gas. Zinc nitrate decompose to give zinc oxide, nitrogen dioxide gas and oxygen gas. So here you have to by heart observation for zinc oxide also. Zinc oxide is amphoteric oxide, which is yellow when hot and white when cold. Then copper nitrate, CuNO3 twice, it decomposes to give copper oxide, nitrogen dioxide gas and oxygen gas. Now here copper oxide is a basic metal oxide and gives black color residue. Mercury nitrate, HgNO3 twice, gives mercury, nitrogen dioxide gas and oxygen gas. Silver nitrate gives silver, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. So this two belongs to third group. Okay, so they gives metal, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. Then last one, ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3. It decomposes and gives nitrous oxide along with the water vapor. That's the H2O gas. So in this case, in last case, you will not get any solid residue on decomposition. So let's study some observations for this metal nitrates and their decomposition. So nitrogen dioxide gas, you should know the color of nitrogen dioxide gas. It's a reddish brown gas. Oxygen gas, it's a colorless gas which reignites the glowing splint. Zinc oxide is an amphoteric metal oxide which is yellow when hot and white when cold. Copper nitrate, it is deep blue green crystals. Copper oxides, it's a basic metal oxide, black color powder. Aluminum oxide is amphoteric in nature, so it is amphoteric metal oxide. Ammonium nitrate, it's explosive. On heating, it gets explode and gives nitrous oxide gas and water vapor. So it's explosive in nature. Thank you.